Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change download location on YouTube. Today in this video I will tell you how you guys can change the download location in YouTube to SD card. First of all, you have to open your YouTube app. Now click on right bottom your profile icon. After that you have to click on top right setting icon. Now here you have to again click on downloads. Now here you have to click on it, use SD card to download videos. If it is disabled in your settings, then you have to enable it. Now you can download anything from YouTube, it will be saved from your SD card. In this way you can change the download location in YouTube. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.